Greetings of the day. This is Hitesh. In today's class, we will be starting chapter number 4, linear equations in two variables. Okay, and you know very well, in linear equation, the maximum power of variable is 1. Okay, in linear equation in two variables, we will use two variables at a time. Okay, so let's get started. Today we will start chapter number 4, linear equations in two variables. Okay. In previous class you have studied about linear equations in one variable. Okay. In linear equation the maximum power of variable is 1. Okay. And if we are using only one variable at a time, then it will be a linear equation in one variable. Okay. The general form of linear equation in one variable, it is ax plus b is equal to 0. ठीक है. General form of linear equation in one variable, it is ax plus b is equal to 0. Okay, where a and b are constant numbers. ठीक है, and these numbers are real numbers. ठीक है, and a does not equal to 0. ठीक है, where a does not equal to 0 and a and b both are belongs to real numbers. Okay, the examples of linear equation in one variables, x plus 2 is equal to 0. ठीक है, 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. ठीक है, in this equation we are using only one variable. ठीक है, in example number first we have used only one variable x. ठीक है, in example number 2 also we have used only one variables. ठीक है, so it is a linear equation in one variables and the maximum power variable it is 1, so it is a linear equations in one variable. Okay, now how many solutions of linear equation in one variable? Yes, there is only one solution of linear equation in one variable. ठीक है, you can find the solution from these examples. Okay, x plus 2 is equal to 0. ठीक है, so here we can get the value of x minus 2. ठीक है, by transpose 2 from one side to another side, so it will negative, so the value of x we will get minus 2. ठीक है, so we can say कि there is only one solution of linear equation in one variable. ठीक है, there is only one solution of linear equation in one variable. Okay, now we will come on linear equation in two variables. Okay, linear equations in two variables. Okay, linear equations in two variables. The general form of linear equation, or standard form of linear equation two variable, it is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. ठीक है, where a, b, c are belongs to real numbers, means these are real numbers. Okay, and a does not equal to 0 and b also does not equal to 0. ठीक है, here we have the condition कि a does not equal to 0 and b does not equal to 0. Okay, we can write the examples of linear equation two variables. Example, x plus y is equal to 100. ठीक है, 2x plus 5y plus 50 is equal to 0. ठीक है, you can write any examples of linear equations in two variables. Okay, and we can give a simple example. ठीक है, कि suppose in a cricket match two batsmen score total run. Suppose two batsmen score total run 150. ठीक है, and suppose कि the number of runs scored by the one batsman it is x, ठीक है, and number of runs scored by the second batsman it is y. So the total run will be x plus y is equal to 150. So this is a linear equation in two variables, ठीक है, because here two variables we are using, ठीक है, x and y, ठीक है, and we don't know the value of each variable, ठीक है, but we know that the sum of these two it is equal to 150. Okay, so this is the example of linear equation in two variables. Okay, now how many solutions of linear equation in two variables? There are infinitely many solutions of linear equation in two variables. Okay, there are infinitely many solution of linear equation in two variables. Linear equations in two variables. Okay, for example, suppose the equation is x plus y is equal to 100, ठीक है, you can put any values of x in this equation and we can get the values of y. Okay, suppose we are putting the values of x 50, ठीक है, so value y from this equation, so put the value of x here, so it will 50 plus y is equal to 100, ठीक है, so value y will be 100 minus 50, ठीक है, transpose 50 from one side to another side, so it will negative, so value y will be 50, ठीक है, so the one pair of solution of this equation is 50 and 50, means the value of x 50 and the value of y is also 50, ठीक है, you can take any values of these variables, ठीक है, suppose you are putting the values of y, so then we can get the values of x from this equation, ठीक है. Now we will start exercise 4.1. Question number 1. The cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. Okay. Suppose the cost of a notebook is x rupees and the cost of a pen be y rupees. Okay. Let the cost of a notebook be x rupees, okay, and the cost of a pen be y rupees. Okay, so according to this equation, ठीक है, according to this statement, the cost of a notebook is x, ठीक है, is का मतलब इक्वल टू ट्वाइस का मतलब टू टाइम्स, ठीक है, टू टाइम्स द कॉस्ट ऑफ ए पेन y, so it will 2y, so the equation will be x is equal to 2y, ठीक है. We can write this equation into standard form by transpose 2y from one side to another side, so it will negative, so the equation will be x minus 2y is equal to 0. So this is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. Okay, so I think this is clear. Okay, now question number 2 is express the following linear equations in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c. The first part it is given 2x plus 3y is equal to 9.35 bar. Okay, so the standard form of this equation will be 2x plus 3y transpose 9.35 bar from one side to another side, so it will negative, so it will 9.35 bar is equal to 0, ठीक है, so this is the standard form of this equation, ठीक है, so here we can easily identify the values of a, b and c, ठीक है, so compare this equation according to the standard form of linear equation two variable ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So here the value of a will be 2, value b will be 3 and value of c will be minus 9.35 bar. Okay, so I think this is clear. Okay, The second part of this question, the second part is x minus y upon 5 minus 10 is equal to 0. Okay. So now here the second term is given in fraction form. Okay. So first we will take the LCM. Okay. So LCM is 5. Okay. So it will 5x minus y. Okay. And 50 minus 50 is equal to 0. 0 ko we can write 0 by 1. Okay. Now we will do cross multiply. Okay. So it will be 5x minus y minus 50 multiply by 1. Okay, and it will multiply by 0. So 5 into 0, 0. So it will 5x minus y minus 50 is equal to 0. Okay, so now this equation we have got in standard form. Okay, in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So here the value of a will be 5, value of b will be minus 1, and value of c will be minus 50. Okay. The next part of this question is minus 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. Okay. So in this equation we will transpose 6 from one side to another side, so it will negative. So the equation will be minus 2x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is a standard form of linear equation in two variables. Okay. So here the value of a minus 2, value b 3, and value of c it is minus 6. Okay. The next part of this question is fourth part, x is equal to 3y. Okay. So in this equation there are only two terms. Okay. In this equation the constant term is not there. Okay. So the standard form will be x minus 3y is equal to 0. Okay. This is the standard form. Now we will compare this equation according to the standard form of linear equation two variable, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So value of a here 1 and value of b is equal to minus 3, and the value of c here 0. Okay. The next part, the fifth part is 2x is equal to minus 5y. So the standard form will be 2x plus 5y is equal to 0 by transpose. Okay. By transpose minus 5y from one side to another side, so it will positive. So the equation will be 2x plus 5y is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the standard form of linear equation in two variables. Okay. So here the value of a is 2, value of b is 5, and the constant term is not there, so the value of c will be 0. Okay. Now the question number 2, sixth part is 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So now in this equation the variable y is not there. Okay. So this equation is a linear equation in one variable, but we can convert this equation into two variables. Okay. We can write this equation like this, 3x. Okay. We are taking here the coefficient of variable y 0, so it will 0 multiply y, and we know that 0 multiply y 0. Okay. So the equation will remain unaffected. Okay. So the equation will be 3x plus 0 multiply y plus 2 is equal to 0. So now this equation is in the standard form. Okay. So here the value of a will be 3, value of b will be 0, and value of c will be 2. Okay. The next part of this question is seventh part, y minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So we can take the coefficient of variable x 0. So it will 0 multiply x, 1 multiply y, minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. So now this equation is in the standard form. Okay. So here the value of a will be 0, value of b will be 1, and value of c will be minus 2. Okay. The last part of this question is, the eighth part of this question is 5 is equal to 2x. Okay. So now in this equation the variable y is not there. Okay. So this is a linear equation in one variables, but we can convert this equation into two variables by taking the coefficient of variable y is 0. Okay. So first we will transpose 5 from one side to another side, so it will negative, so the equation will be 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, now we will take the coefficient of variable y0, so it will 0 multiply y minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, so now this equation is in the standard form. Okay, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So the value of a here 2, value b is 0 and value c is equal to minus 5. Okay, so I think this is clear to all of you. Okay, so now this is sufficient for today. Okay.